Your weather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Gunkel, two-time recipient of the Louisiana Association of Broadcasters Award for Best Weathercast.
Welcome back. Well, I hope you soaked up some of that sunshine over the weekend. It was a pretty gorgeous forecast for Sunday, and even today, just a little bit warmer out there. But tonight, things begin to change. We start to look for the clouds to return, and as we move forward, we're moving into a very rainy pattern for us as we're going to be seeing multiple rounds of rain throughout the week. Tonight, a couple more clouds. We're going to stay a little bit warmer with overnight lows dropping down into the lower 60s, maybe even the chance for a little bit of fog out there. As you notice, moving into tomorrow, we're talking mainly during the afternoon and early evening. We do fall under a marginal risk for severe weather. We've got another cluster of thunderstorms on the way. There could be, again, some intense pockets in the mix. We're talking most likely penny-size hail or pea-size hail. Obviously, maybe some strong wind gusts out there, but there's also that threat of maybe an isolated tornado or two, because in this type of situation, it really could go from nothing to something in a short period of time. That's why we need to stay weather aware on a marginal risk day from, again, that's only a 1 out of 5, but there still is that potential threat, obviously, and that's why you need to stay weather aware. Satellite radar picture just showing you a couple high clouds quickly rushing through the area. No rain at this hour, and we should stay dry through the overnight. However, as we move forward, looking at your future track, you'll see that we start out tomorrow with some cloud cover, maybe a little bit of fog. As the day progresses, we're going to see those storms push in, heading into those afternoon hours. You can see a couple clusters out there as they quickly race through the area, and then we wait on our next frontal system that arrives on Wednesday. You see here we've got a nice little line of thunderstorms, but that same frontal system stalls out near our coast, and unfortunately it's going to trap a lot of moisture, and it's going to keep our rain chances relatively high for the next couple days, at least until the weekend, which means, again, multiple rounds of heavy rain that could slowly begin to add up. And at this point, I'm not too concerned about our rivers. I'm more concerned about localized flash flooding, especially if we get one heavy round of rain and the ground is very saturated. Well, it obviously doesn't take much for that water to pond. So here's the week ahead. You see we got storms starting out on Tuesday, maybe 1 or 2 strong pockets. Look for more rain Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, I'm not saying the entire week is a complete loss, but I just want you to be aware that there will be that possibility for rain every day, and that's why you need to be aware of it before heading out the door. And then some cooler than average temperatures, some clouds, some rain out there. That's going to keep our temperatures in the 70s and possibly even 60s out there. Finally, a drier pattern late Sunday, moving in Monday. So here's the deal. 82 out there on your live tower cam with winds out of the east-southeast now at about 10 miles per hour. A lot of blue out there right now, but again, those clouds really return quickly as we head into those overnight hours. Look for those overnight lows to fall into the lower 60s, heading into those early morning hours just around daybreak. But here's the big picture for you, and you see that front ahead of it, maybe a couple clusters of thunderstorms out there. Just be well aware. Best thing you can do, download the app. We'll give you all the latest information that you need to stay ahead of this storm. Then once that front goes through, you see that, again, we'll see more storms develop ahead of it, but then it kind of slows down and stalls near the coast, giving us the opportunity for more showers and thunderstorms heading into Thursday and Friday. And here's the concern. This is not going to happen overnight. What this is going to happen is over the next 5 days, and this means really through the weekend. But notice this bullseye sitting directly on top of us. There's a potential that we could see 5+ inches of rainfall, and that is going to be the concern, because it's, again, not going to be a widespread threat, but it's going to be more of a localized threat, and just be well aware of that. If you come up to some high water, please do not drive through it. Go around or turn around. 68 out there, a couple clouds out there, and as you see moving forward, 64, we're dropping those temperatures down into the lower 60s by daybreak. Chance for a little bit of fog out there, but otherwise tomorrow just be on the lookout for a couple of thunderstorms. A couple could be on the strong side heading into those afternoon hours. We're going to reach the mid-60s throughout the afternoon, and here's that 7-day picture for you. It's a rainy one out there with multiple thunderstorms on the way. 76, possibility of some stronger storms tomorrow afternoon. 75, heavy rainfall on Wednesday. Another round of rain Thursday, Friday, maybe some periods of sunshine. Highs in the 70s and 60s. We'll get back to finally a drier pattern by Sunday and Monday.